Let's take these habit extensions out of this doll head. Start with the bottom row first. You can see that tiny section that has a bead. Pull that up and out of the way. Use your clips to keep the hair out of the way. The blue pliers are the pliers you'll use first, loosening up all the beads underneath. Taking your time. You might need to wiggle them to get them on. Doesn't have to be perfect, just loosen them. Continue all the way around the row with the blue pliers. Now my sewing and my beads are really tight because I filmed and sewed this video all in one day. But when you're doing a removal, you will notice it's going to be a little bit quicker and easier because you will have grown out 6 weeks, 10 weeks, what have you. See, like this guy, he's way up there tight. I wouldn't do this in a normal situation, but that's okay. We're just filming a fun video on removal. And I'm pulling it loose just a little bit. With the lobster pliers, you're going to go back through those same beads and just give it a gentle tap. You might be wondering, what the heck is that bobby pin right there? That's because I wanted to make the dolly pretty for my video. We can go ahead and take that out right now. Continue with all your beads with the lobster pliers all the way around the row to finish with the lobster pliers. Take the hair down. I'm going to move my doll head back where we started. You're going to take your scissors and you'll see it's already starting to come loose. And just gently snip the in between threads. Take your time. And notice when I go fast, it doesn't work out. Take your time so you don't snip any hair. Remember what I said, this is going to be a little bit quicker on your hair because yours is not a brand new set. This dolly has a brand new set of habit extensions. You can see how quickly that came away. Let me move this, rotate it a little bit. Now normally I'd be doing this on a, excuse me, look how quickly that came out. That's why I love this method. It's super easy in, easy out. So you take out that weft hair and you just set it aside. Grab your small scissors and we're going to snip off those threads in between. And at the same time, you can just pull those beads right on out. And if that happens, you just get in there with your scissors and it'll come right out. Now sometimes the front corners, you'll notice when I get to it, they're a little pesky. You can use a pair of tweezers and these mini scissors to get those front corners and get those are the hardest areas to get out. See how easily that comes out? Now, you take a fine-tooth comb and you comb out the row and remove any shed hair. This doll won't have a lot of shed hair because, like I said, her extensions were new. But if you're doing this on 10-week outgrown out extensions, they'll have some shed hair. Now let's store your extensions until you can get back into the salon and see me. You've got some stray threads. Go ahead and take those out with your fingers or tweezers. Next, let's brush out the tangles. Fold it in half, fold it in quarters. You got your wet brush, comb out the tangles. Next, grab a hanger and you're going to hang your extensions in your closet. Avoid hanging them in the bathroom because the bathroom has moisture that hair extensions don't like. Hang it in your closet. The second way you can store them, let's fold it in half. Fold it in quarters again. Grab it, twist it around your hand. Boy, I've been doing that for many years. Put it in a plastic bag. Store it flat in your closet. And that's it. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.